Remember when you thought this is what the future would look like? Turns out the real revolution in tech is sneakier. It's in the words you type, the songs you stream, the decisions you make every single day. Think about it. Are you really making choices or is AI pulling the strings? From unlikely collapse to Airtel giving away free AI tools, investors are pouring in millions like there is no tomorrow. Whether you know it or not, you're being pulled into the AI era. That's why we are here to give you the breakdown of the biggest AI updates of the month. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button to get your monthly AI updates and more from Newton School. The biggest AI update of the month. ChatGPT is here. Sam Altman says it's like carrying a team of PhDs in your pocket and could be a real stepping stone to AGI. That's AI that can learn and perform any task like a human. And now we will put this to the test. So what's new? For one, its ability to adapt and model to everything. Fast when you need speed, deep when you need reasoning. Let's say you need an Instagram caption for a coffee brand. GPT-5 nails the tone in seconds. Or imagine you're launching a t-shirt business. Ask for a 30-day marketing plan and it lays out your audience, channels, even ad copy. And for developers, cleaner, bug-free code. Ask it for a simple website and it generates the framework in minutes, all ready to deploy. It's not just hype. ChatGPT-5 is the friend who does all the work in a group project. And big tech is already betting on it. Meta wants AI to write half its codes, and Microsoft says up to 30% of its reports are already AI generated. In 2016, Jio broke the market with free OTT apps. Now Airtel's doing the same, only with AI. Airtel is bundling Perplexity AI search at zero extra cost. That means millions can use AI daily. No downloads, no fees. This is classic user acquisition. Drop the barrier, get people hooked, and lock them into Airtel's ecosystem. Homework done. Bills answered. Travel plans sorted. Lights, camera, algorithm. Because AI went full film. AI took the spotlight when A.R. Rahman teamed up with Sam Altman for an AI band that empowers Indian creators. Called Secret Mountain, this is a virtual global band that uses AI to co-create music across languages and styles, pairing human composers with generative tools. Its mission to open doors for Indian artists, spotlighting fresh talent, enabling remote collabs, and turning local stories into global soundtracks. But the biggest drama in Bollywood, Ranjana being re-released with an AI-generated happy endings. And my god, did people have opinions. Would you rewrite a film's ending with AI? Tell us in the comments. And finally, meet Google's MLE Star, an AI that doesn't just solve problems, it makes more AIs. It Googles, writes, tests, and polishes code like it's prepping for Shark Tank. The kicker, it has already crushed 63% of Kaggle competitions, leaving human-made models sitting there like Windows Vista loading screens. The AI wave isn't coming, it's already here. That's why we at Newton School do what we do. Keep you updated with the latest in tech and AI, so you always stay ahead. Don't forget to subscribe and we will be back next month with more updates. See you then.